I can't go up here. I can go outside. I can get on the roof. Ah! Ah! What the fuck? Ah! Whoa! No! No! Frick off, you fecker. Ah! I am sorry! I did not mean any of what I just said. I take it back. Piss off. Open the door, go through the door, walk. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, it's a monster! Oh, run away, run! Where can I go? Oh, I'm locked. I'm stuck. Go to the bedroom. What the fuck is that? I immediately don't like this. Clack. Whoa! No! Get away from me! What? Oh! The horror begins! Already? No! What? Get away! Yeah, there's definitely doom and gloom. She has her arms outstretched. No! No! What? Holy crap, where do I go? What do I do? Holy balls! Oh, Jesus Christ! Holy fuck! Oh! Okay. What's that? Oh, man! Jeepers and holy balls! Ah! Leave me alone! Mommy, there's a scary monster. That's the sound Tinky Winky made! You're doing fucking Jeff the Killer, fucker! Oh, Jesus! No! Holy crap balls! I did not expect that. Way worse than it should have been. It's not that nice out here. Slenderman's right there. It's not nice out here. Ew, it's blood. Whoa! Why the fucking monster's back? I didn't even. Ah! Oh. You fucking eyeballs! I can't see anything. Go away. Check it out. What's it all about? Whoa! Get out! Oh, heart attack! Oh, I'm not quieter when I crawl. Oh, run away! Lobby key's broken. Why is it broken? Why do you do that to me right now? No! Don't make the lobby key broken right now. It's a bad time for the lobby key to be broken. Run! I'm sorry. Ah! What are you? Oh, where do I go? I can't do anything! Go! Ah! Ah, Jesus! Oh! They're walking towards me! Go away! I'm just singing a song. Run! No! Oh my God! Ah! That scared the bejesus out of me! That's not glow stick time! Glow stick, you suck! Why did I pick you up? You died!